Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to blur part of a video in CapCut. So first, as you can see, I want to blur this number plate actually. Okay, so how to do that? So now just click on your clip, right click on it, and then you will see copy, Control plus C. You can use that shortcut key also. Just copy and then paste it here. Like right click on it and then you will see paste. Click on it, then just adjust the full clip actually, then uh, select this upper clip and then click on effects and then click on lens, then click on lens, then you will see couple of options like motion blur and then just blur, and just drag and drop this effect on your upper clip, and then you can adjust the blur as you can see. So then uh, select this clip and then click on mask. Okay, then you will get couple of options like mirror, circle, horizontal, rectangle, heart, star. You can choose any of them. Okay, so as you can see, you can blur like this,